Hello friends. Welcome back to my DIY Arts and Crafts channel, Imagination Islands, the go-to destination for all things creative. Today is the festival of Neel Pujo, which means the festival of God Shiva, so I will show you how I made a God Shiva idol using cardboard. At first, you have to draw an oval shape on a piece of cardboard and cut it out. You need to draw and cut out 3 oval-shaped cardboards, gradually decreasing in size from large to small. You have to stick the 3 cardboard oval shapes together using adhesive glue. Now, carefully draw a picture of Neel Pujo on another piece of cardboard, similar to the shape of that cardboard, and cut it out meticulously. The oval-shaped cardboard piece and the Shiva-shaped cardboard piece should be stuck together on all 4 sides using masking tape. Now, insert 2 metal wires of the same size and another slightly larger one slightly into the bottom of that Neel Pujo cardboard piece and securely stick them with hot glue, just as shown in the video. Then, take that Neel Pujo piece and attach it to the middle of the oval-shaped cardboard piece again, using hot glue. Once that's done, shape the head and body using foil paper and secure them with hot glue. You can use newspaper instead of foil paper here. Now, you need to take any brand of wall putty according to your requirements and mix it with a certain amount of water to create a smooth dough. You should shape the dough into a thin, smooth layer by pressing and smoothing it with your hands or a rolling pin, then gently place it over the prepared cardboard piece, smoothing it out with water and your hands. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. let this piece dry for 5 to 6 hours. Once it's dried, smooth the piece using sandpaper. Now, using Fevicryl molded clay, shape the eyes, nose, and lips. Here, I've used Fevicryl clay, but you can also use air dry clay if you prefer. I've used clay tools here to shape it properly. Next, gradually shape the snake, moon, and necklace with the clay. These should be stuck in proper place using Fevikwik glue gradually. Once this is done, let it dry for another 2 to 3 hours. I've taken a large-sized metal wire and first bent it into a round shape. Then, I inserted it on top of another small long cardboard piece on both sides and secured it with hot glue. And 2 more small pieces of metal wire need to be inserted underneath the same cardboard piece using the same process. Now, the entire piece needs to be wrapped with foil paper using hot glue. The piece should be inserted behind the God Shiva idol and secured with M-seals so that it stays in place and doesn't fall or move. Then, the entire piece needs to be covered with Fevicryl molded to design it. I had previously shaped a small dwip and let it dry. Now, it needs to be attached to the front of this piece using a metal pin or wire. Actually, I hadn't mentioned earlier that it's a big snake designed to enhance the overall look of the art piece. I've painted it entirely with black acrylic color, but you can use any color of your choice. Then, I've tried to highlight the entire art piece using both golden and silver metallic liquid and dust colors. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your beautiful creations with us. Until next time, stay inspired and keep crafting. Bye bye.